This model kit review is of the tank hunter, the Hs-129. It's a World War II German plane. It's a 1/48 scale model by ESCI, and don't see any pictures there. Finished model, just this artwork. Let's have a look inside. So here we have our stabilizer and elevator. We have our engine cowls, all reasonable molding, not a lot of surface detail. These are all raised panel lines. Not much in the way of flashing though. Here are our wings, all with raised details. And here's our cockpit. We don't have really anything on that instrument panel. And here's the other side of the engine nacelles. We have our engines, really sort of disappointing detail here, but this is an older model kit. Here we have our spinners. Lots of extra little pieces here and there. We've got landing gear with the main cannon. This is probably the gun housing. This is for the tank hunting. Here are the fuselage halves, all raised panel lines. No real detail there on the inside. We have our propellers. These are actually reasonably well molded. We have little bombs, need some sanding. And we have our wheels. Some detail. You can see these mold lines here. And our canopy, which is reasonable. Here are our decals, so they have actually a correction decal set there. Let's have a look at our instruction guide. So we start off with the cockpit. The instrument panel has its decal. That's all put on the inside there. Next we go to number 2, the wings and the engine nacelles. We'll build the engines. Those were kind of disappointing in their detail. Those are then put inside the cowling. And wings are attached, as is the stabilizer, to the fuselage. Then build the landing gear, exhausts, and the bomb, as well as the cannon. So you can see there are 2 different versions. You can go with the longer one. And then put the gun housing on there. And propellers go on. Then here's our painting and decal guide. And here's the other option. Here it gives you the guide for the paints. So it's a older model kit, not a lot of detail.